Okay, start of our next video, just show you what we're going to do in preparation for putting a carpet liner in the vehicle. We're going to WAXOYL insides of all panels. Obviously you get a lot of condensation build up in a van, so we're going to prevent any rust building up over here. We're going to use some Dodo sound deadening mats against all those big main surfaces. Make sure that's all soundproofed off for us. And then we're going to use some Dodo thermal fleece as heat insulation. That's going to be put into all the big sections. So we're going to crack on.
Applied soundproofing sheets to all the main surfaces of the van. Simply peel off the back, put into place. Little trick that we did, I will show you later. Make sure you do all the inner arches, inner wheel arches, all your road noise comes through those. Now once the mats are fitted, you must give them some heavy pressure. We use a decorator's roller, which is used for closing seams on wallpaper. Worked a trick, could get some real pressure, and you see these need doing. So we do all of that, every pack. We just placed our ply lining kit in place, just to try. And there's our van so far. After trying this ply lining, we're going to remove this, and in our next video we'll show you how to insulate the cavities and fit the ply lining kit. So if you've liked our video, please share it, please subscribe and press the bell to watch future videos. Thanks for watching.